This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using AI tools. Creating a professional website has never been easier, thanks to artificial intelligence. These innovative tools allow you to design and launch a stunning site in a fraction of the time it once took. You can bypass complex coding and technical hurdles, focusing instead on your unique vision and content. It's a straightforward method for anyone looking to establish an online presence quickly and efficiently. Choosing the right AI website builder is your next crucial step. Platforms such as Hostinger, Wixaddy, and Durable offer excellent starting points. Each tool provides unique features, so consider what's most important for your project, whether it's e-commerce capabilities, blogging functions, or extensive design flexibility. Take a few moments to explore their offerings and select one that aligns best with your specific needs and comfort level. Once you've selected your AI tool, the magic begins with content generation. You'll typically start by providing a brief description of your business, your goals, and your target audience. The AI then takes this information and rapidly generates an initial draft of your website, complete with suggested text, relevant images, and a logical layout. This process can deliver a foundational site in under 5 minutes, giving you a strong starting point. With your AI-generated draft in hand, it's time to personalize and perfect your site. You can easily customize colors, fonts, and images to reflect your brand's unique identity. Add any specific pages, contact forms, or product listings that are essential for your visitors. Once you are completely satisfied with the design and content, simply connect your custom domain and publish your professional website for the world to see. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.